Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hi guys,
Hey guys,
Steve and I Ford from I Ford Fortune
and this
my
is
wife
Lily.
And we're
Welcome to our page.
we're on a ferry to Rangitoto Island from the central Auckland.
Move around.
And we just come back from south of the North Island trip, and the next day we're on the trip to Rangitoto Island, catching a ferry there with the family, with our son Leroy, Michelle, and of course baby Luta, and our daughter who's just arrived also from Perth, and we're going to enjoy today.
Zaani.
Hopefully climbing up to Rangitoto Island, which might take about an hour. But we're looking forward to it. Part of the journey. And welcome to our YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube video, like our YouTube video, and you get more of these updates as we go on our family journey and holiday on October 2024.
Yes, so we're really looking forward to today. Not only are we going to do the Rangitoto walk, we're also going to be at we're doing the idea. We haven't been to Rangitoto Island now for it could be about 30 odd years ago, I think.
Yep.
I don't even think we had kids at that time, so it could be 40 odd years ago. No, 30 odd years. Anyway, so welcome back to our page. This is us. Thank you that you're part of our journey from the North Island to the south of the North Island. So we continue our holiday and our journey today because we just arrived back yesterday from having a trip away, and now we're heading. We haven't even really had a good break yet, so we're looking forward to having a good break tomorrow. So continuing our journey now to Rangitoto Island, and we just want to keep you keep in touch with you just to tell you how exciting our journey is so far. So okay, guys.
And thanks to our children who's providing these moment of time for us to enjoy.
As we're building memories that last forever. Okay. Catch you later on our next YouTube, guys. Bye for now.